In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Squarespace expert. If you're passionate about web design and want to elevate your skills on this highly popular platform, I've got just the plan for you, packed into an easy-to-follow guide. Let's dive right in. First, consider joining Squarespace Circle. This is an exclusive community designed for designers and developers who use Squarespace extensively. Being part of this circle not only keeps you in the loop with valuable resources and perks, but also connects you with fellow enthusiasts who share a common goal. It's an excellent starting point for anyone serious about mastering Squarespace. Next, you'll want to familiarize yourself thoroughly with Squarespace's features and functionalities. This includes gaining a firm grasp of its templates, customization options, and e-commerce capabilities. Squarespace is known for its user-friendly interface, but to truly harness its power, spend time exploring the ins and outs of its diverse templates. Experiment with customizing them to not only showcase your creativity, but also meet clients' unique needs. Additionally, dig into its robust e-commerce functionalities, essential for building a well-rounded skill set, especially if you're aiming to craft online stores. Staying updated on the latest Squarespace updates and features is crucial. With technology advancing rapidly, Squarespace frequently rolls out updates and new tools, enhancing its platform's capabilities. By keeping abreast of these changes, you'll be able to leverage new functionalities and keep your designs cutting edge. This gives you a distinct advantage, allowing you to offer clients the latest tools and techniques available. Now here's an important tip for those eager to take their expertise further. Squarespace periodically selects eligible Circle members to become official Squarespace experts based on client demand and the services offered. This status can be a game changer, offering you more exposure and, potentially, more clients. However, to be eligible for an invitation, there is a specific requirement. You must have built at least 8 Squarespace websites in the previous year. This criterion helps ensure that those reaching expert status have real-world experience, substantiating their knowledge and skills. In wrapping up, becoming a Squarespace expert is a journey filled with learning and exciting opportunities. From joining the supportive environment of the Squarespace Circle to diving deep into the platform's versatile features and ensuring you stay updated with the latest enhancements, each step reinforces your expertise. Keep focused, build those 8 websites, and who knows, you might soon find yourself recognized as an official Squarespace expert. Thanks for watching and happy designing on Squarespace.